Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear Pinterest boards, you don't want to organize your account and remove unwanted collections, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Pinterest in your web browser or mobile app and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Step 2. Once on your profile page, you'll see all your boards displayed. Scroll through them to identify which boards you want to delete or reorganize. Step 3. Click on the board you want to delete to open it and view its contents. This gives you a chance to review the pins before deciding to permanently remove the board. Step 4. Click on the three-dot menu icon, ellipsis, in the top right corner of the board page. This will open a drop-down menu with various board management options. Step 5. Select Edit Board from the menu options. This takes you to the board settings page where you can modify board details or delete it entirely. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Board page where you'll find a Delete Board option. Click on it to proceed with removing the board. Step 7. Confirm your decision to delete the board when prompted. Pinterest will ask you to verify this action because deleting a board is permanent and cannot be undone. Step 8. Note that deleting a board will remove all pins saved to it. If you want to keep some pins, move them to another board before deleting. You can do this by clicking on a pin, then clicking Save, and choosing a different board. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.